packaged simply, and very pleasing to the eye. Let's open this package. I bought a GoPro 10 standard type without bundle accessories. I got a carry case. And inside there is one USB cable Type-C. One curved adhesive mount. One thumb screw. One battery. One mounting buckle. Manual. And for sure there is one GoPro 10 action camera. Open the protective plastic on the back of the camera. Make sure you have the Quick app installed on your smartphone. Activate Bluetooth, Internet network or Wi-Fi. Open the Quick app. Turn on the GoPro 10. Press yes, I have a GoPro in the Quick app. Press pair my GoPro. Press connect to camera. Allow GoPro Quick to access this device's locations. Press while using the app. If you haven't turned on Bluetooth, there will be this instruction: please turn on Bluetooth to find your camera. Then turn on Bluetooth. Press the arrow in the top corner. Tap connect to GoPro. Press GoPro 10 Black. Select English. Legal stuff, press agree. GPS press off or on, it's up to you which one you choose, or can. Notification in camera update required, press continue in Quick app. We found your GoPro, press connect. Change camera name, write the name as you wish. Then press save new name. Let's install your camera, press continue. Press update camera. Press accept and continue. Let the update install process run. When update and install is complete, hit got it. If you want to change the camera name and you are using Android, press the 3 dots in the top right corner. Press edit camera name, then change the name. Then press save new name. Note, everything is set automatically by GoPro. If you want to change manually, you can do it yourself, for example in the Pertama video feature.